So after so many years, we have forgotten what they have practiced. We have never practiced after so long. So we, the Young Taiping Association, the youth in our society, try to, as we know, our motto is to uplift our culture and identity. We try to uplift our ethnicity, our previous practice, our culture. That is why we are celebrating in the modern ways of celebration, Sakung Phai, by doing all these things, as we have seen today. That is how we celebrate the present Sakung Phai festival. We used to do, during the days, there is a dance competition from different villages, different branches. There is like indigenous games and sports. Indigenous games and sport, not the present sports. What our forefathers, our generation, the previous generation used to practice, used to play games for entertainment purpose. These are the festival. Whenever they have festival, they used to practice. We also use like Sokorke, Korpo. We have different names. This we used to do during the days. And about our organization, Young Taiping Association, our main YKA was established in 28 December 1990. And it was registered under the Society Registration Act with registration number 777788. It is a social organization. It is non-political, non-profit, non-religious, and voluntary organization. As we have heard in the previous president, YTF have said, it is totally non-religious organization. Every religious can attend this program. And all the religious, any kind of people in the community, they may be different religion, they can be a member of YKA. That is our motto. And it was formed and to uplift and protect our identity, culture. So to take more effective steps, there is central, at the center there is central committee. Central committee that is consists of 6 office bearers: president, vice president, general secretary, assistant general secretary, financial secretary, and treasurer. And in every village, most of the village we form branch. Under the central there is branches in every village. Most of the village we have branches. At present we have 18 branches. In each branch there is office bearer, 6 office bearers. There is different departments besides that, like sport department, culture department, literature department, and student wings. These branches we have. This conference is held, this festival conference is held once in a year, from 7 to 9 January every year. Then on 28 December, the rising day of YKA, we used to celebrate, every branch celebrate by doing social work in their own villages and branches. Besides that, throughout the year we have many activities. Yesterday we have the whole day conference discussion business hour from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In this discussion we revive the previous work, like we used to have work camp, sport meet, drugs awareness, help the needy, helping the poor, helping the poor people, the homeless people build their houses, students' career, and various other activities. Even we are having social work like our central garden to plant some plants so that we can have some source of income. These are how we used to manage. Besides that, we used to give donation regularly from every branches to do all those activities. We may have certain limitations like financial problems, so many other youth wings are ready to sacrifice their finance to support financially. Those who cannot become even actively, they can support us financially, morally, physically. These are how we used to do throughout the year. So that is our work. Just now we have said the pledge to help everyone, not only within the community, within the state, throughout India, wherever we can, we are here to help. Our motto is to give, but not to take. To receive is not our motto, but to give. And we expect no one to get back, only to give. But on another way, we used to receive unintentionally, unexpectedly, we receive back the blessing. If we help others, others are ready to help us. Automatically, their people minds are there to help us. That is how we administer our organization. If we help the people are here to support us. That is a brief report. That's what I can say today. Thank you.